Hello, how's everybody doing? Hey, I just thought I'd hop on here and show you what I use on my hair. It's like a homemade hair tonic that I make using Young Living essential oils. And you can get these little amber spray bottles off of Amazon. They come, I don't know, in a package of 10, 12, 6, however many you want, I guess. So I got these and I use them a lot for my DIY recipes. And speaking of recipes, if you go on Amazon and you search Jen O'Sullivan, she is also a member of Young Living and she has several books out. She's very intelligent and she knows her oils. She has a recipe book out there. It's a DIY recipe book and it's full of all kinds of products that you can make yourself at home using essential oils from Young Living. And what I like to do is I like to use witch hazel, and I also like to use distilled water that you can purchase at the grocery store for my recipes, because distilled water, it's purified and it doesn't have all of the trace minerals and the things that you find in tap water. Ugh. Anyway, so what I used for this tonic, I used cedarwood, cypress, rosemary, lavender, and ylang ylang. And what I did is I put 10 drops of each in there, except for the rosemary. Rosemary is a strong herb and it's very powerful. So I only put 5 drops. And squirt of witch hazel, not too much, because witch hazel can dry out your skin and your hair. And then fill the rest of the way up with distilled water. And then you just give it a shake and you just squirt it all along your scalp, all along your hair. And what it does is it stimulates your hair follicles and it provides support for healthy, thick, fast-growing hair. For those of you that don't know, my hair, 2 years ago, I had a pixie cut. So, yeah. And it's grown out. So, I attribute it to my Ninja Red supplement, and eating right, and my essential oils that I use on my skin and in my hair. And like I said, there's all kinds of recipes available on Pinterest. Make sure you type in Young Living essential oil recipes, because not all essential oils are created equally. It's just the cold, hard truth. And you can go on Amazon and you can purchase all kinds of DIY recipe books. Another good one is called Oil and Glass. I also got that off of Amazon. And that is also full of Young Living essential oil recipes. So Jen O'Sullivan or Oil and Glass. That's all I got for you. More recipes to come. Bye.